Welcome back to goldfries. This is the XPG Precog headset that retails at RM439, which is about 100 US. And the most impressive part of the headset is the packaging, of which it comes with a carry case. It comes with a mic, a splitter 3.5mm cable for audio and mic, a 3.5mm cable connector, the main connector with controls and uses USB Type-C, and a USB Type-C to Type-A adapter. The ear cups come with dual drivers, and from my experience with it, it can go really loud, which I like a lot. The ear cups are rotatable and comes with angled memory foam ear cushions for a more natural fit, and from my experience, it's quite comfortable. Build quality of the headset is good, however, the glossy and chrome finishing does make it look like other cheap headsets in the market. This is the control, and it has 3 modes: FPF mode, Virtual 7.1 mode, and Music mode. And the only actual usable one is the Music mode. FPS mode makes the audio sound horrible. Virtual 7.1 also makes it horrible as it adds so much reverb that everything sounds hollow. Music mode works fine for games, but when it comes to music, the XPG Precog is just average at best, as it sounds a little muffled on the mids and bass and does not produce enough treble. The microphone works well. Let's switch to the recording. So this is what it sounds like using the microphone, and I think it's plenty sufficient for gaming purpose. What do you think? The XPG Precog also comes with environmental noise cancellation technology for the microphone, and here is what it sounds like. Environmental noise cancellation off. Environmental noise cancellation on. Environmental noise cancellation off. Environmental noise cancellation on. I think the noise cancellation works very well here, so that's a plus. The XPG Precog is good to use for gaming, with its only weakness being the slightly below average sound positioning. One thing I don't like is that the volume knob controls the master volume of Windows rather than the volume of the headset alone. The XPG Precog does have LED on the headset. It's limited to a very dim red glow. Not a bad thing, I suppose, but I guess at this price point, one expects more customizable colors. Also, one thing to note is that the XPG Precog does not come with software to fine-tune the headset. Alright, so what do I think of the XPG Precog? Well, it retails at RM439, which is about 100 US. It is loud. It is the first headset that I've seen with USB Type-C, and it has the best looking packaging ever. However, those are the only things that it brought to the table, so I'm giving it a bronze badge. Good stuff, but for that price point, I wish that XPG did more. Alright, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.